Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are doing lesson 20 in your reading mastery. Remember, this is our new sound. When I move under the sound, I'll say it. Get ready. E. My turn again. Get ready. E. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. E. Again. Get ready. Yes. E. Good job saying E. I'm going to say some words and some sounds. First, you're going to say them slowly. Then, we're going to say them fast. Listen. Say mm. Listen again. Mm. Your turn. Get ready. Again, get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Mm. Listen. Say zoo. Listen again. Zoo. Your turn. Get ready. Again, get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Zoo. Listen. Fun. Listen again. Fun. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Fun. Great job saying the words or sound slowly and then saying it fast. Listen, I'm going to sound out a word and then you're going to say it fast. Listen, my turn. Rings. Listen again. Rings. Say it fast. What word? Yes, what you're going to see in this picture is rings. What do you see in this picture that rings? Yes, the phone rings. Very good. First, you're going to say it slowly, then you're going to say it fast. Listen, my turn first. Remember, no stopping between the sounds. My turn. Your turn to say it slowly. Get ready. Yes. Now say it fast. Yes. Listen, my turn. Your turn. Get ready. Good job. You didn't stop between the sounds. Let's do it together. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. Great job. Now we're going to firm up on our sounds. Let's go through this column and see if we can do all of the sounds without making a mistake. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes, remember, this is our new sound. E. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. S. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. E. Let's go back to the top. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. S. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. Mm. Great job. You said all of the sounds in the column. Now we're going to say the sounds without stopping. My turn. I'll show you how to say these sounds without stopping between the sounds. My turn first. Sa. My turn again. Listen. Sa. Do you see how I didn't stop between the sounds? Your turn. Say the sounds as I touch under them. Do not stop between the sounds. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Good. Saying sa. Here we have a lot of sounds. Let's see how many of the sounds you can do without making a mistake. Watch my finger. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. Mm. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. Mm. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Get ready. Yes. E. Back up to the top, all by yourself. Watch my finger. Get ready. 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 Wow, you did a wonderful job with all of those sounds. I'm so proud of you, boys and girls. We're going to say parts slowly and then say them fast. Let's do the hard, say it fast. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, at, my turn. At. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, at, your turn. Say it slowly. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes, rat. Here's a new word. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, and. My turn. Listen. Man. Listen again. First you'll say, then you'll say, and. Your turn. Say it slowly. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes, man. Here's another word. Listen. First you'll say, then you'll say, e. My turn. See. Listen again. First you'll say, then you'll say, e. Your turn to say it slowly. Get ready. Good job. Again, get ready. What word? Say it fast. Yes, see. Great job. Now I will say a word and you're going to say it the fast way. Listen. Fat. Listen again. Fat. Say it fast. Good job. Fat. Get ready to do it again. Listen. Fat. Say it fast. Yes, fat. In this picture, what do you see? Yes, a very fat cat. All right, on the bottom of your worksheet, we are going to say our sounds. Put your finger on the big black ball. Get ready. Yes. E. Get ready. Yes. S. Remember, with these sounds, we do not stop between the sounds. Get ready. Yes. Ma. Be sure that you're practicing at home, tracking and saying the sounds. What sound are you going to trace today? Yes. You're going to take your pencil, start on the big black ball, and trace the dotted line. Make sure you do all of your sounds on the bottom of this worksheet before you move ahead. On the back of our worksheet, we have the cross-out game. And look, it's our new sound. What sound are we crossing out this week? Get ready. Yes, E. So you're going to take your pencil and you're going to cross out the E sound on the top portion of your worksheet. Are you going to cross out the S? No, you're only going to cross out the E. On the bottom of your worksheet, you're going to finish the picture. Put your pencil on the big black dot and trace the dotted line all the way around so you can see what's missing in your picture. Once you are done, you may color your picture. Super job in reading mastery this week, boys and girls. I'm very, very proud of you.